Today I will show you how to draw a cute Starbucks illustration in Procreate using a super helpful tool. Set your canvas size to 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab the color palette and my giveaway brush for free. Last but not least, don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you draw this. I would love to see your version. Now grab your iPad or sketchbook. We are starting. For this step, I will use my sleek ink brush, which you will find in the description below, and I will pick the brown color to start sketching. The brush size will be 2%, and now I will go to Action Tool, activate Drawing Guide, and then I will go to Edit, choose Symmetry, and now I will start drawing. I like using the Symmetry Guide in Procreate because it makes things so much easier. It helps me draw perfectly balanced shapes without overthinking it. I usually use this tool when I want clean results, and in this tutorial I just want to highlight how useful it is and how it can help you get perfect shapes with less effort. As you see, I'm using also the editing tool here to adjust the lines and shapes. And I usually use it because it makes the lines clean. Here I'm done with drawing the top of the cup. Now I will draw this straight line for the cup, and I will close the shape by creating this straight line. Finally, I'll create this circle in the center of the cup because I will use it later to draw the logo inside it. And here I will make it smaller, and I will go to selection tool, select the circle to place it in the right position. Now I will go to action tool, turn off drawing guide, and then I will go to the layer and turn off drawing assist because I don't want to use it anymore. Here I will draw this curved line, and now I will draw the straw, but I will clean this area, and I'll start draw the straw here by creating two straight lines just like this, and I will create an oval shape on the top of the lines. I'll adjust it by using the editing tool just like this, and now I will create here the whipped cream by drawing those wavy lines. Here I'll draw those lines just to show that the cup is full of drink, and I will draw this line to give the cup depth. Here I will tap on the action tool, choose reference just to start drawing the logo, and as you see I will draw something similar to it just to keep the logo recognizable. I will draw the circle for the head and those wavy lines for the hair, and here I will do the same as well. Now I will draw the body. As you see, I'm drawing symbol shapes just to make the logo recognizable. I don't want to copy it as it is in the reference. Here I will draw the star on the top of the crown, and I will draw two cute eyes and a tiny smile for the face. Now the logo is done. Here I will use the selection tool to move the drawing to the right, and I'll start drawing the cupcake by creating this wavy line here. And now I will create the bottom of it. Here I will erase this line because I want to make it curved, not straight, just like this. And now I will add few details to the cupcake. It's the chocolate chips, and now I'm done with sketching. Let's move to the next step, which is coloring. For this step, I'll create a new layer, set it underneath the sketch layer, and I will choose the dark green to start coloring the cup. As I mentioned before, all the brushes I'm using for this tutorial are linked in the description below. I've also tagged them with simple tips on how to use them so you can follow along easily. Another really useful feature in Procreate is alpha lock. I'll go to my layer, turn on alpha lock, and then start coloring. This way I can color right over the existing lines or pixels without affecting anything else on the canvas. It makes coloring much faster and cleaner, and it's perfect when you only want to change what's already there. Now I'll start coloring the logo, as you see, by using the pure white color, and I'll continue coloring my sketch by using the colors in the color palette. Here I'm using the brown to color the muffin, and I will add those brown dots and those yellow sparkles to the drink, and now my drawing is ready for shading. For this step, I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to multiplying mode, and I will use my sleeking brush. I will change the brush size and lower the opacity, just like this. And I will start adding shadows using the same colors that I used to color my sketch. Once I'm done, I go to the layer and lower the opacity just to give the shadows a natural look. Now I'll create a new layer choosing the brown color, and here I will add cute details. As you see, I'm drawing hearts for the muffin and those white circles to the drink, and now I'm done. For adding highlights, I'll create a new layer, set it to screen mode, and I will use the sleeking brush and the pure white to add highlights. And now my drawing is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.